Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're diving into CityIndex, one of the most established and trusted names in online trading. We'll cover everything you need to know before getting started, so stick around to find out if it's the right broker for your trading journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. CityIndex is one of the longest-standing and most reputable names in online trading. Founded in 1983, this UK-based broker has built a strong global presence, offering traders access to over 13,500 markets. As part of the publicly listed StoneX Group, CityIndex operates with a high level of transparency and credibility that gives traders confidence. The broker is authorized and regulated by several top-tier financial authorities, ensuring strict compliance and strong client protection. CityIndex is known for its competitive trading conditions, intuitive platforms, and extensive market access, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced traders. Whether you prefer CFD trading or spread betting, CityIndex offers powerful tools, fast execution, and in-depth market analysis to help you trade effectively. Their platform selection caters to a range of trading styles, from their proprietary web trader and mobile application to MetaTrader 4, offering flexibility and performance across devices. With over 4 decades of experience in the financial markets, CityIndex has proven itself as a trusted choice for traders who value reliability, regulation, and advanced technology. CityIndex gives you access to a very broad range of asset classes, over 13,500 tradable markets globally. Whether you're into Forex, shares, commodities, indices, bonds, or even thematic baskets, there's something for both directional traders and hedgers. In the Forex space, you'll find over 84 currency pairs, majors, minors, and exotics, allowing you to trade standard combinations like the Euro to US dollar, Great British Pound to US dollar, and many others. For shares, you can trade thousands of global stock CFDs across US, European, and other exchanges, giving you the ability to engage with companies like Amazon, Tesla, and many others. In terms of indices, CityIndex offers access to major global indices and thematic indices. For commodities and other markets, you can trade precious metals like gold, silver, and copper, as well as energies, agricultural products, bonds, interest rate instruments, and options. This broad instrument set gives you the flexibility to diversify across asset classes, switch between macro themes, and adopt multiple trading strategies rather than being confined to just one market. CityIndex operates under the highly respected StoneX Group and is regulated by top-tier authorities worldwide. In the UK, it's authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, and participates in the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, offering protection for eligible client funds. All client money is held in segregated accounts, ensuring it's kept separate from the company's own funds. CityIndex is also regulated by other leading bodies, including the ASIC in Australia and the MAS in Singapore, reinforcing its global compliance standards. Advanced SSL encryption, secure payment systems, and two-factor authentication are all in place to safeguard your data and accounts. Overall, the broker provides a strong level of regulation, transparency, and security, giving traders confidence in a trusted and well-established broker. When it comes to bonuses and promotions, CityIndex keeps things pretty straightforward. CityIndex does not currently offer a standard welcome or deposit bonus for new retail clients, which means no deposit bonus when you sign up offers for many jurisdictions. That said, they do provide certain incentives for more advanced or professional traders. For example, their professional account tier offers monthly cash rebates based on trading volume, lower margins, and even interest rate on fund schemes for qualifying clients. Traders should be advised to check the promotions section of their local site or ask client support, as regional offers may differ or change over time. CityIndex offers a range of powerful and user-friendly trading platforms designed to meet the needs of every trader, from beginners to professionals. At the heart of their offerings is their award-winning web trader platform, built for performance and accessibility. It features advanced charting tools, customizable workspaces, integrated news and analysis, and one-click trading, all within a sleek browser-based interface that requires no downloads. For traders who prefer automation or desktop trading, MetaTrader 4 is also available, offering powerful technical indicators, expert advisors, and advanced backtesting capabilities. MetaTrader 4 remains a top choice for traders who want full control over their strategies and execution. The City Index mobile application extends this experience to your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to stay connected to the markets at all times. It includes real-time pricing alerts, risk management tools, and seamless order execution, ideal for traders who like to monitor and manage positions on the go. Across all of their platforms, the broker ensures fast execution speeds, transparent pricing, and reliable performance, giving traders the confidence to act quickly in fast-moving markets. Whether you're trading from a multi-screen desktop setup or checking charts on your phone, City Index provides a smooth, consistent trading experience wherever you are. The broker offers a range of trading accounts designed to suit different types of traders, from beginners to professionals. Their standard account provides access to over 13,500 markets with competitive spreads and essential protection like negative balance protection, making it ideal for most retail traders. For those who prefer MetaTrader 4, their MetaTrader 4 account gives full access to the platform's advanced charting, automated trading capabilities, and technical analysis tools, while maintaining the same robust market access and trading conditions. For businesses and corporate clients, their corporate account allows multiple authorized users, premium service, and tailored trading solutions to meet organizational needs. More experienced or high-volume traders can apply for their professional account, which offers perks such as lower margin requirements, monthly cash rebates, priority customer support, and enhanced execution features. It's important to note that professional accounts come with reduced retail protection, so eligibility criteria applies. City Index's account options are designed to provide flexibility, transparency, and tools that match the trader's experience and goals, whether you're starting out or managing a high-volume trading strategy. The broker provides a free demo trading account so you can practice trading without risking real money. You'll get access to virtual funds and the same platforms as live customers, including their WebTrader and MetaTrader 4 options. The demo account mirrors live market conditions with real-time pricing and full market access, letting you test strategies across Forex, indices, commodities, and shares. The trial period is limited to around 12 weeks, but you're allowed to reapply for a fresh demo if you need more time. Creating an account with City Index is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Account button. Next, fill out and submit your credentials to create your City Index account. The next step after opening your account would be to complete and submit your live account application, or you can simply open a demo account. After your account has been created, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform, or simply use the City Index WebTrader. In our case, we decided to go with the City Index WebTrader. And as easy as that, we're in. This is City Index's WebTrader. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your Market Watch. Here you can create your own watch lists and browse through all of the broker's available market instruments. On the right side of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. Within the trading chart section, you can navigate between the broker's available market instruments, and the platform provides a wide variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. Additionally, the platform features a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window, as well as market analysis, to help keep you informed. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's available platforms, City Index provides a wide variety of helpful educational content to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. When it comes to funding your account and withdrawing profits, CityIndex keeps things fairly straightforward. You can deposit funds using debit and credit cards or via bank transfers. Deposits are free of charge from the broker's side, although your bank or card issuer may apply fees. For withdrawals, the same methods are used. You'll generally withdraw back to the original funding source to satisfy anti-money laundering rules. There are a few key details. The minimum withdrawal amount is typically £100 or your full available balance if less. Withdrawals are free of charge in most cases at CityIndex. Processing times depend on the method used, where domestic bank transfers can arrive in 1 to 2 business days, while card withdrawals may take 3 to 5 business days or more. One thing to keep in mind is that CityIndex uses the net deposit rule, which means that if you deposit via multiple cards or methods, you'll need to first withdraw the equivalent amounts back to those same methods before withdrawing any access via an alternate method. CityIndex's Trading Academy is a comprehensive learning hub designed to support traders of all levels, from absolute beginners to seasoned market participants. It features free online courses covering foundational topics like how CFDs and Forex work, through to advanced lessons on technical analysis, risk management, and building a trading plan. Interactive tutorials and quick lessons make up the core of the experience, letting you explore specific subjects such as support and resistance levels, indices trading, or creating your own trading strategy in bite-sized formats. On top of that, the broker also runs live webinars hosted by trading professionals, which gives you a chance to hear market analysis in real time, ask questions, and stay up to date with market developments. Their Trading Academy is designed not just to inform you, but to empower you to trade smarter by deepening your knowledge of instruments and markets, as well as helping you build the right mindset and strategies for trading success. The broker's News and Analysis Hub is designed to give traders a competitive edge by providing timely market insights and actionable intelligence. It features daily articles, expert commentaries, and technical analysis videos that cover a wide range of markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and shares. The platform delivers both macro-level news that can influence global markets and short-term trade ideas to help you spot potential entry and exit points. Traders can also access economic calendars, market sentiment data, and in-depth reports that support informed decision-making. This integration of real-time news and professional analysis directly into the trading environment makes it easier to act quickly on opportunities while managing risk effectively. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn market trends or an experienced trader seeking advanced insights, CityIndex's news and analysis tools provide the context and information needed to trade smarter and stay ahead in fast-moving markets. Over the years in operation, CityIndex has earned several prestigious industry awards that underscore its quality of service and platform offering. For example, it was awarded with the Best Overall Professional Trading Account and the Best Professional Client Relationship Manager Service at the 2023 Professional Trader Awards. Most recently, the broker was awarded with the Best CFD Trading and Spread Bet Provider in Europe by Global Business and Finance magazine, as well as the Best Trading Application and the Best CFD Provider, among many other awards. These accolades reinforce that CityIndex is a broker committed to strong execution, innovative platforms, and excellent customer service. Overall, founded in 1983 and part of the publicly listed StoneX Group, CityIndex combines decades of market experience with strong regulatory oversight from top-tier authorities, including the FCA in the UK, the ASIC in Australia, and the MAS in Singapore. This level of regulation ensures a high standard of client protection, segregated funds, and transparent operations, all of which are critical for traders seeking reliability and peace of mind. CityIndex offers access to over 13,500 markets, including Forex, indices, commodities, and shares, alongside multiple account types such as their standard, MetaTrader 4, professional, and demo accounts. Their platform suite, the WebTrader, MetaTrader 4, and mobile application, provides flexible, intuitive trading experiences for both desktop and mobile traders. complete with advanced charting, automated trading options, and real-time market data. Beyond trading tools, CityIndex supports traders with comprehensive educational resources, including online courses, interactive tutorials, and live webinars, as well as a news and analysis hub that delivers market insights and trade ideas to help you make informed decisions. The broker's long track record is further validated by industry recognitions and awards, highlighting the quality of its platforms and services. While CityIndex may not offer niche features like extensive crypto trading or copy trading functionality, it excels in providing a secure, regulated, and versatile trading environment, suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Whether you value robust platforms, broad market access, or professional research tools, CityIndex delivers a well-rounded experience. Their platform represents a broker that combines heritage, regulation, innovation, and comprehensive market access. For traders seeking a reliable, fully regulated platform with extensive resources and tools, CityIndex may be a strong choice for your trading journey. And that is our overview of CityIndex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.